save percent of equity to trade. The idea behind equity percent is to quantify your position size based on equity percentage changes. The best way to determine the equity percentage for a position is to determine the size of the position, and the growth of equity will be determined accordingly. Increasing the equity percentage for every trade is always an option, but the higher the profit potential, the higher the risk. Most traders advise using a smaller percentage of equity, such as 1% or 2%, which equates to 50 to 1 leverage per trade. This will also allow you to hold on to your position for a longer time. The size of your trades should be proportional to your equity. If your trades fail, you reduce your position size, preventing the account from quickly depleting to zero. The initial trade size can also be reduced when you enter a losing streak to minimize the equity damage. You will need more time to break even after losing the same amount of money as you did when you won it.